How to trade on KUCOIN mobile exchange app. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to trade on KUCOIN Exchange mobile app. So in that case, what you have to do is go ahead and open up or log into your KUCOIN account. You can use an application or a web browser. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. So I'm using a web browser. So when you're logged into your account, then it's going to take you to the home page. Due to some security and privacy reason, I'm unable to show you the procedure. So I'll just instruct you. So when you're logged into your account, then you need to navigate to the KUCOIN spot trading interface. Then you can familiarize yourself with the spot trading interface. You could go ahead and select the trading pair. That could either be Bitcoin, whatever, or what sort of crypto asset that you want to go with. Then you need to enter the trading password. As you're done, select the order type, whether it's a market order, stop order, limit order, whatever. Create a market order. That is, you have to go ahead and enter the exact amount and all of the information that is being asked and place your order. Then you'll have successfully trade on KUCOIN Exchange mobile app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.